Just wanted to show you a board that I've received from another place coming in for repair. It's mostly working, but it's got some issues. And I just want to show that there is a big difference between when you pay for someone who does work properly versus when you pay for eBay $50 repair professional fix. So just put on your seatbelts because this is going to get pretty ugly and I'm going to yell. Alright, so we have got a liquid damage board that you can see. It's obviously arrived at the other place. Liquid damage, it was running for a fair bit because you can tell by the corrosion on the one side of the caps versus the other. And immediately you can start to see that whoever it was before us has received this and just decided, you know what, we've watched videos on YouTube and all you got to do is rip caps off and it'll all be good. And you see they've like just been tearing the caps off, very bad soldering here, more pad ripped away there, brutal soldering tip damage there by the looks of it. They're trying to get in. They obviously don't have hot air is my imagination here. That's a stray pad that's come off somewhere. And, oh actually no, they do have hot air. They managed to melt the connector. They've butchered the hell out of these contacts here. I'm gonna have to find out what they are for. They've broken this connector and they've obviously tried to, I don't know, replace it, or I don't know what they've done, but they've busted that up. This here, look at this. Look at this crap. If this is what your work looks like, I'm sorry. Technically, everybody can do board repair. Practically, many people should not be doing it. Because most of the time when you get people like this, they're very good at getting their name out, advertising, telling other people that they're great at this sort of work. But really they're just butchering the hell out of it. I mean, look, you can't... I'm going to guess that they ripped this cap off originally. My guess would be that they may be using one of those blower in handle hot air stations and it wasn't able to get enough heat to remove this cap originally, or whatever it was before, and so they've just grabbed it with tweezers and ripped, you know, really pulled at it, and they've torn the pad up, so they've fucked that up. Overall, it's a terrible looking board, and there's, I don't know what, that's remnants of solder paste there, so yep, they've been using solder paste. I guess maybe they felt like they could put that cap down, put some solder paste, and yeah, who knows what they were thinking. But yeah, if this is the board that you have worked on, then I'm sorry, but stop doing it, or practice more, get the right equipment, and stop offering your services until you can actually do this stuff right. Up here, yeah, someone's just broken off the Zener diode. Maybe they thought it was shorted or something, but you can't just break these diodes off and hope that things will work out. That's actually an important diode that belongs there. It's a diode that brings the voltage of the line down to 5.6 volts or so from whatever it is that's coming in, so that it can safely drive the MOSFET gate. But so what they've done is they've snapped that off, which means the full voltage goes to the MOSFET gate, which can cause all sorts of effects, like could blow through the gate, which cause further damage. So yeah, this it's a real ugly board. I don't know if this is going to be entirely repairable. I'll give it a bit of a go, but I don't have the highest of hopes. And if I ever see this person, I will probably kick them in the nuts. Just stop it, alright? Go find another business. Become a car wrecker or something. Get out of this one. Thank you.